All of the basic settings of the restaurants have been have been set up. So what we can do now is to actually create a staff to access the systems. So we can press management, go to outlet management, and assign a position management. We can add a new position through this green button. Next, we can enter the manager position. So this is where we can actually select all the permissions of the managers. So there are a lot of permission that the manager can do. So actually we can select all and click submit. So once all of this has been created, the managers, the waiters, we can proceed to add staff into the positions. So let us add a staff. Press this green button and we can add a new staff. This is the staff creation page. So there will be the email, the first name, the username, and the passwords, and along with the privileges and permissions. So let us add a Daniel manager first. We also need a first name, a last name, a username, which can be Daniel manager, a new password, and confirm the password. So now we have to select the positions that will be added to this staff, which can be the manager. Note that there's also this additional permission. The permissions here will override any setting that has been set in the positions. So let's add one position here. So you can see the various permissions that's available, like view position, update position, delete staff. So let's say delete staff. The access level can be defined here, so it can be allowed, it can also be not allowed. So this is where you can actually override the settings here. Once all of this is done, this is how you actually set up the staff permissions. For the staff to actually log in, they will need to use the username, which is Daniel manager, and the password, which is the created password, instead of the admin account here. Once this is okay, let's save the account. So this is basically all of the setup required for the restaurant. Once we are done, the only step that's left is to make it active. So the active button is at the top right. We press the active button and you'll be live. So we can view the status of the restaurant in the apps.